Protecting your property from water damage has never been easier thanks to QuickDam. Founded in 2004, this innovative company has been providing solutions for water control and water damage prevention for over a decade. From natural disasters to broken pipes, QuickDam has the right solution for many water damage situations. Our products are made from high-quality materials, ensuring that they are long-lasting and effective. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your property now with QuickDam. Visit our website at www.quickdams.com to learn more about our products and how they can help keep your home or business safe from water damage.